My name is Kelsey from Kelsey in London. I'm a full-time content creator and travel and lifestyle blogger. My vision for my feed is to really document as much as I can and show that in a unique way to my followers. Travel is the big driving factor behind that. When you have a concept in your head and then when you get about to shooting it and seeing it coming to life, I think it's such a satisfying feeling. To me, a good image consists of a lot of components such as light, colour, the subject matter, your pose, the kind of energy, the feeling behind it. But I think what's really important is that it's authentic. Colour is really important to my images because I feel like it's a reflection of my own personal style. You'll see a lot of pink and neutrals in my images, and that's what I wear and that's what I'm comfortable with. Lightroom is such an important part in making my image unique to me, and so people can look at an image and be like, okay, that's from Kelsey. What I love about Lightroom Mobile is when I'm location scouting, I can quickly just open it up in the app and see how that's going to look and bring out the vibrancy of the colours, or even chuck one of my presets on it to see, is that location worth coming back to the next day? So it's a really handy tool for when I'm on the go. Lightroom always takes my photos to the next level. Changing up the contrast, changing up the colour really brings that image to life and makes it extraordinary. I think it's always important to challenge yourself, get outside of your comfort zone, because that's where the magic happens. And if you're doing that, you're always going to have fun along the way.